Okay, Nick here. Okay, so if this is the fusible link by the battery, see? And the power that goes into the car goes through this fusible link. That's what these are called. See, it says fuse on the wire. It's a fusible link. In other words, if there's too much power going through, if there's too much amperage, a surge, this link is like a fuse. It'll burn and disconnect. It'll burn and open the circuit. Now what happens is these get corroded. As you can see, it's very corroded. See? And when you try to unscrew those, typically almost every time that I have ever tried to unscrew them, even with using WD-40 or whatever, they break. Because this is just plastic. And these weld themselves onto the stud, the nuts weld themselves onto the stud with rust and corrosion, and then they're very difficult to get off without breaking the plastic. So this is like a Bakelite kind of plastic, and it's not very strong. So I have a solution for that. And the word solution means two different things. I'll show you. Okay, so what I did was, here's the one off of my convertible, right? The fusible link and the plastic block. Here's the hardware, right? I soaked it in Blaster Rescue. Okay, I get this from Home Depot. And what I did was I unbolted it from the body of the car, but I did not unbolt the wires. I left them alone. I just unbolted it from the body of the car, and then I put the blaster stuff in here, and I took the cap off, and I submerged this into this fluid on the car. Took the battery out, placed this in the battery compartment, and then submerged this attached to the wires still. I submerged it into this, covered it the best I could so I had minimal evaporation, and I let it sit like that for probably about 5 days. And this is how it came out. Look at that. Absolutely no rust. No rust whatsoever. No corrosion whatsoever. Now I cleaned these with a little bit of steel wool, but they were still just as clean. The plastic that was over this didn't survive. It's old, and got crusty, came off. But look at the conditions of these. Now granted, I went over them with a little bit of steel wool just like this, but there was no rust, no corrosion. They were just dark. And so that shined them up a little bit, cleaned all that, the residue off. So my solution was to dip them in solution, see? And then when I unbolted them, they came off, the nuts came off easily. As a matter of fact, the big one, this one was actually loose. That goes on here, This one was actually loose when I went to unscrew it. This one was tighter, but it came off easily. So the stuff had penetrated all the way through and gotten rid of all the corrosion. And then I was able to undo the nuts. You people who own 66s, if you're going to try to take this off, it's going to break. I'm just letting you know that. Now, one redeeming thing is you can buy these new now. You can buy these new from Bird's Nest. So they're a nice thing. As a matter of fact, I'll show you what one looks like. So here's a brand new one from Bird's Nest. Now, obviously, it's a little different. They don't go all the way through like they do on the original. But it's still, they got the big stud and the small stud. These are nice. So you can buy these from them and replace yours. Now, I didn't want to have to buy another one. They gave this to me to do a video for them. So that's what I'm doing now. I didn't have to buy one. I wouldn't have to buy one because mine came off. Because I soaked it and there's nothing wrong with it. It's in perfectly good shape. and it's original. You know, it could use a little bit more cleanup, but if I was restoring a car and I wanted all original parts, this would be perfect for that. And the wires on the car, I'll show you those. The wires on the car, they turned out good. These I did not clean up. This is how they came out of the solution. Okay? So that's what the other wires look like, but I went over them with a steel wool anyway. But they turned out really nice. So I just set that canister in here and then just submerged this in the fluid, you know, and let it sit for 5 days. So that's it. So now you know you've got two options to save yours, if you can save it, right? You dip it in the solution, the blaster, Metal Rescue, or buy a new one from Bird's Nest. Very nice, okay? Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching my videos.